Tim, ano pong masasabi mo sa tubo?
One tongue. Also very unique. Also very clean to the teeth.
Ikaw, Mac.
Hey, I will teach you to take a sugar cane. First step, you need a knife is very sharp because if it's not sharp, the tubo will not peel
Across the lip.
across the lip. First step, put the knife into the ground of the sugar cane.
Then point it.
And point and throw the knife to the
Very
north,
strong, very
to
strong.
the north face.
Like this.
Like this. Like. Yeah, very good.
Paano pagkain? Tubo, Tim.
Double.
Ano?
Wala, tama. Simple like this. Like this. You need to swallow. You need to bite the beginning of the sugar cane. Then
Yung pa yung akin.
circle it. Yeah, like this. Brown. Simply bite it, and then swallow with this. Then to just pick the tubo.